Welcome to City Cooking.
You are going to love this delicious chilaquiles inside of an omelet. Here we are frying the tortilla strips. These will be the chilaquiles. Okay, let's go with the egg. Okay, let's make the omelet. It's got a little bit of butter and it's been whipped just to give it that juicy, delicious taste. How about a little bit of also pepper and salt just to give it more flavor? And there we go. Let's put the tortilla strips that have been already fried. And a little bit of cilantro to give it more flavor. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add some cheese. Here I have mozzarella and American cheese. You can also add queso fresco. This is the green sauce, previously made. You can find the recipe in our other videos. And here we are. Let's serve it. A little bit of sour cream because of taste. More taste, more flavor. And here I have some turkey bacon. Okay, of course, your choice. You can use any bacon you'd like and prefer. Here we go. Let's cut it. Okay, let's add, a little sour cream here. And how about also a piece of the delicious crunchy bacon? There we go. Mouth watering. Oh, look at that.